Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus square root of 9 is equals to x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to solve this problem for all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So we move towards the solution of this problem from first method, and in the first method here we first find the values of x. So here I can first explain why we solve this problem for two methods. So the reason is that uh, if in your exam the question statement is that you find the values of x, so in that case you need to solve this problem for first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, in that case you directly move toward the second method. So but both of these methods are valid for solve these type of questions. And now we move towards from in the first method, and we find the values of x. If you see directly here, it is not possible to find the values of x, but here I can do this and find the value of x. So that here first we rewrite this equation as this is x plus square root of 9, and we know about that square root of 9 becomes 3 is equals to x. And now here for the values of x, we will take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as x plus 3 whole square is equals to x square. And further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we use this nice formula into the left hand side of the above equation, and it will be written as this will becomes here x square plus 2 times of ab. So here our a is x and b is 3 plus b square, so b is 3 square, and this is equals to x square. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we move this x square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x square plus this is 2 times 3 becomes 6x plus this is 3 square, and 3 square becomes 9. So this is x square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here this is minus x square, this is plus x square are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here this is 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. And from here we need to find the values of x, so that's why we move plus 9 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 6x is equals to minus 9. And we have here for the values of x we need to remove this 6 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by 6. So when we divide both of the sides by 6, it will becomes here 6x divided by 6 is equals to minus 9 divided by 6. So this 6 and this 6 are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here the x is equals to here minus 9 over 6, and we need to cancel these terms by table of 3. We get this is 3 times 2 becomes 6, and 3 times 3 becomes 9. And after cancellation of these terms we have this is x is equals to minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to x. So here in the first method we get the value of x is equals to minus 3 over 2, and now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus square root of 9 is equals to x. And further in the next step we need to substitute the above value of x on both of the sides, and we check its behavior, and when we put this value here it will becomes minus 3 over 2 plus this is square root of 9, and square root of 9 becomes here 3 is equals to this is also minus 3 over 2. And now here for simplification we will multiply both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms. So when we multiply each of these terms by 2, it will becomes here 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2. And in the next step here we need more simplifications, and after cancellation of the terms we obtain this 2 and 2 are gone, and here we get minus 3 plus this is 2 times 3 becomes here 6 is equals to this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus 3. And we have the minus 6 plus 3 becomes 3 is equals to minus 3. And you see here this 3 is equals to minus 3. It is not possible case, and if this is not possible, it means that not possible, so it means that the value of x is equals to minus 3 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to minus 3 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And here for determination of solution, we finally conclude about that this question has no solution because we cannot find any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this question has no solution, which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method, and for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus square root of 9 is equals to x. So in the second method here we directly solve this problem, and we directly conclude about the solution chart of this problem. So here you see that we move this x to the right hand side, and we know about that the square root of 9 becomes here 3 is equals to x minus x, and we easily get the value of 3 is equals to x minus x becomes here 0. And we you see here 3 is not equals to 0 in general, or in other words we say that it is not possible case. So this shows that in the second method we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.